guys, welcome to the Behind the Locks episode of today. We are in the Hyatt Regency here in Dallas, Texas, and we have 2 hours to set up 51 tables. Yes, it's gonna be a fast one, so come with me for the ride.
It's all assigned seating, so the table numbers are exactly as listed.
So like this?
Absolutely, yes,
Okay.
Yes.
So you guys walk together, you walk the 12s, you walk the 8s. Make sure it's perfect, it's dropping to the floor all around. This needs to be prepped. Who is in the charger plates team?
We're all tablecloths and charger plates.
Tablecloth, so how many people in your team? Can you check?
There's 3, and then there's 2 more that were supposed to be doing napkins.
So this crate now is for 5 tables. All right, guys, the time is 2:36, meaning that we have less than 40 minutes and then it's go time. So this is 25 times, 5 times 5, that's 25 plus 16. So we got 18 per box.
Thank you so much to you and your team. Absolutely amazing job. Outstanding work that you did. Everything turned out perfect. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of all of the work that went involved. I know it's a lot of work. I know it's tiring. And I know there's a lot of time constraints. So thank you.
Thank you so much for trusting me.
Amazing and wonderful. I'm incredibly blessed. Thank you all.
Thank you.